Today, we have a special topic: delicious foods for diabetic patients. If you or someone you know is managing diabetes, this video is a must-watch. We'll explore mouth-watering dishes that are not only tasty but also diabetes-friendly. Segment 1: Benefits of a balanced diabetic diet. Before we dive into the recipes, let's understand the importance of a balanced diabetic diet. It helps maintain blood sugar levels, provides essential nutrients, and supports overall well-being. Segment 3: Recipe 1: Grilled salmon with lemon herb sauce. Let's start with a delicious grilled salmon recipe. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, this dish is a powerhouse of nutrients that benefit individuals with diabetes. Segment 4: Recipe 2: Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Next up, we have a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Packed with fiber, quinoa helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those with diabetes. Segment 5: Recipe 3: Greek Yogurt Parfait. For a sweet treat, try our Greek Yogurt Parfait. Low in added sugars and high in protein, it's a delightful dessert option. Conclusion: as we wrap up, remember that enjoying delicious meals is possible even with diabetes. Incorporate these recipes into your routine and savor the flavors while keeping your health in check.